Here's how to share CapCut project so others can edit. So, in order to share a CapCut project with someone else, you have to follow these steps. First, open the CapCut project you want to share. Click on an empty space in the timeline, then select Details at the top, and then click Modify. Here, you'll see the location of your project displayed. Make a note of this path as we'll need it in the next step. I'll now show you how to navigate to this location on your computer. Here also make sure Copy Media to Project is enabled, then click Save. Now, go to your desktop and open the Start menu. Search for Run and open it. In the Run dialog box, type %local app data % and press OK. Here, find and open the CapCut folder. Then navigate to User Data and finally go to Projects. Now, navigate to your project folder. If you're not sure which one is your project, simply open CapCut and check the project name shown in the path. Take note of the name, then find and open that folder. Once you've found it, right-click on the project file you want to share and select Copy. Then go back to your desktop. Right-click on an empty space and select Paste to copy the project file onto your desktop. After that, right-click the folder, select Compress to, and choose Zip File. Now, you need to share the zip file with the person you want to send your project to. There are several ways you can do this, but I'll show you the easiest method. First, open up your browser and click on the Google Apps icon in the top right. From the list, select Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, click on New and select File Upload. Now, locate the zip file you created earlier and click Upload. Wait a few moments for the file to finish uploading. Once it's uploaded, click on the file and then select Share at the top. Here, you can either enter the person's email address or click on the restricted option and change it to anyone with the link. Once you've updated the sharing settings, click Copy Link. You can then send this link to the person you want to share your CapCut project with. After they download the zip file, they need to right-click on it and extract it. Now, the recipient needs to move the extracted project folder into the CapCut projects folder. To do this, open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. Then type %local app data % and press OK. From here, open the CapCut folder, then go to User Data and finally select Projects. Now, open the project folder and simply move the extracted project folder into it. Once that's done, open CapCut, and they should be able to find and edit the shared project along with all of its associated media. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.